Hello everyone, welcome to our channel.
Welcome, welcome. We are very happy you are here today.
My name is Jackson.
And my name is Lina.
This channel helps you learn English easily.
Yes, easy English, daily life English.
Today's topic is very useful.
Yes, today we talk about English in daily life.
At the bank.
At the bank, beginner speaking.
If you go to a bank, this lesson is for you.
Even if you are nervous, it's okay.
We will practice together.
Slowly, step by step.
Before we start, please like the video.
And subscribe to our channel.
It helps us a lot.
And it helps you learn more English.
Okay, let's begin.
First, let's listen.
Yes, listen first, then we discuss.
At the bank, you often say hello first.
A simple hello.
For example, hello.
Or good morning.
Let's repeat together.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good job.
Very nice.
Now you walk into the bank.
You go to the counter.
The bank worker is there.
You can say hello.
Or good morning.
Simple and polite.
Let's make a short dialogue.
Hello.
Hello, how can I help you?
Good job.
That sounds real.
Now let's discuss.
At the bank, you have a reason.
Yes, you want to do something.
For example, open an account.
Or take money.
Or put money in.
We call that deposit.
Deposit means put money in.
Repeat with me. Deposit.
Deposit.
Good job.
Another word is withdraw.
Withdraw means take money out.
Repeat, withdraw.
Withdraw.
Very good. You are improving already.
Now listen again.
Listen to this simple sentence.
I want to deposit money.
Let's repeat slowly.
I want to deposit money.
Good.
Again.
I want to deposit money.
Nice and clear.
Now another sentence.
I want to withdraw money.
Repeat with us.
I want to withdraw money.
Good job.
You sound great.
Now let's make a short conversation.
Listen first.
Hello.
Hello, how can I help you?
I want to deposit money.
Okay, please fill this form.
That's it. Very simple.
Now let's discuss the new word, form.
A form is paper you fill in.
Repeat, form.
Form.
Good job.
Now another polite word is please.
Please is very important. Repeat, please.
Please.
And thank you. Repeat, thank you.
Thank you. Excellent. Now let's practice again.
Listen and repeat.
Please help me.
Please help me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You are doing great.
Now another common question at the bank.
Can I help you?
Repeat, can I help you?
Can I help you?
Good.
You can answer with yes.
Or yes, please.
For example, yes, please. I want to open an account.
Repeat slowly.
I want to open an account.
A job.
Account means bank account.
Where your money stays.
Repeat, account.
Account.
Very nice. Now let's do listen and discuss again.
Listen to this short dialogue.
Hello.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. I want to open an account.
Okay, please sit here. That's it. Very simple.
Now let's discuss the new word.
Here.
Here means in this place.
Repeat. Here.
Here.
Good job.
Now another word is wait.
Wait means to stay for a time.
Repeat. Wait.
Wait.
Very good. You are improving already.
Now listen again.
Listen to this short dialogue.
Hello.
Hello. How can I help you?
Yes, please. I want to deposit money.
Okay. Please sit here.
Very natural.
Yes, very real.
Now let's recap.
Recap means remember again.
Today we learned many words.
Bank,
Deposit,
withdraw,
account,
ID,
please,
thank you.
good job.
You can practice at home.
Say the sentences again and again.
Practice makes progress.
Not perfect, progress.
Before we finish, we have a fun question.
Yes, we want to hear from you.
Tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up in the morning, and what is the first thing you do?
For example, I wake up at 7.
My first breakfast is a banana.
Simple English is perfect.
Thank you for learning with us.
You did a great job today.
Don't forget to like the video.
And subscribe to our channel.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye. Keep practicing.